Damn.
What?
I didn't spray up here.
You'll be fine. Speaking of fine, look at that painting. In case you couldn't tell, we're at Bowie again. I'm with my grandma this time. Say hi.
Hello, everyone. We're here to watch trains.
Why are you so formal?
I'm not.
You said, hello, everybody. We are here to watch trains. Like.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Well, don't be joning on me.
I'm keeping that in. So, they put plants and stuff over there now, so it's harder to see. So we're on like this little, the bridge, train. Speak of the devil. Ooh! First train of the day. Aquila. I love the Aquila. You guys, I got tricked by a helicopter. Did I get it? There it is. Look. I got tricked by that doohickey over there. I can't believe it. I thought it was a train. I don't know how I fell for it. What do you have to say about this, Mr. Locomotive?
Hey, listen. When you go up, you want to work for Amtrak?
You guys, I'm walking down. Seeing if I can see any better. I don't think I can. Yeah, no, other than right here. I don't think. Yeah, no, I can't see any better than I would before. Alright. That's great. There ain't anything down there. It's a bunch of cars. Foliage. I know I keep saying I'll like come back when the train comes. The train ain't coming. You see down there, there ain't nothing. No lights, no nothing. So I'll cut back when something of relevance happens.
Right there.
Yep, there's a train coming that way and that way. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, they just passed each other.
So it is 2 o'clock.
Yeah, it is. They just passed each other, the Acela. Look.
Oh, look, here in the middle. Was it in the middle?
He was on the middle track. Dang, he gone.
He was coming so fast, I was going to take a picture of us.
Bro.
With the train coming.
We were trying to
the
take
next one not till what?
I don't know.
I said 2 o'clock. It passed till about 2.
Yeah.
Let me see. 2:03. No, 2 minutes later.
Yeah, I told you. Yo, you guys, I have enabled a sixth sense. Like, it's like Spider-Man, but it's with trains. Like, you know that bridge and how it makes noise that resembles a train? I can tell the difference now. Like, anything that goes past that bridge or anything that comes from that general direction, I will know. She's seen it. Ain't that right?
If you say so.
If I say it. I think she's doubting me. Are you doubting me?
No, I'm not doubting you.
Well, it sounds like you're doubting me. Humph. See, look. That's a car.
Yes.
I'm like that. I never showed you guys the art on the other side of the tunnel. We got this guy on a bike. We got a duck. We got Charlie. Charlie the horse. I did there. You see what I did there. We got a guy on a bike. We have a caboose. And we have Fred. Say hi, Fred. Hello.
So you can see it coming.
I can see it. Oh yeah, that's that special train I was talking about. That one right there. No, the train itself.
Oh.
Doesn't it look? The train itself looks different.
It did. It was slower too.
It's a marc train.
Here come another one.
Oh shoot! Wait. I know.
Look how he's sketching me.
I wasn't expecting another train. I was zoomed in at the one going. Oh yeah, no, they about to meet. I see it. I zoomed in. You can't see.
I see.
Not good.
Is he stopping too?
No.
Oh, he passed.
Yeah. Okay. Another 2 trains at once. Yippee ki yay! I don't know why I said yippee ki yay. Really been like 20 minutes. 20-ish. 20,
It's
30.
2:18 now.
That it is.
It should be coming.
Well, I mean, maybe that was that one over there.
Maybe, because it came right at 2:18, didn't it?
Yeah. Fred, what do you think about this predicament? I don't really know, man. Yeah, me neither, Fred. What? Talking to Fred.
Oh, who's Fred?
Fred.
Oh.
What do you mean? Oh, you didn't see him? He's right there. No, that's Fred. What drawing? I don't see a drawing. I see Fred.
Yeah, okay.
Hey guys, there is a tiny little train coming. I see the lights.
Over here with the lights. Give it to me, it's coming.
It's coming that way. Don't you want it? Aren't you trying to like get in the...
I want you. I'm taking you.
I thought you were trying to come. There's a train coming. Yeah, over there. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's gonna go by pretty fast. Wave. He didn't blow his horn.
I know. I told you they going fast.
I know.
Also, you missed your picture.
Oh, I didn't need mine.
I mean, I told
Just
you.
for you. You ready now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, we're going. Bye, Fred. Bye. And bye to you.
Though. You want coming?
Me?
Yeah.
I guess.
Because usually when it go down, one coming back.
Well, that's what I was going to say. Sometimes when you see
Train? Not train? I'm confused. Not a train. I got...
No, that was a truck.
These noises are confusing me.
What happened to your 6 cents?
Listen.
I always think there's one, but it's just the car.
I don't like that. I don't
But my ears, it's so loud.
Man,
We talk one up.
I ain't doing no... I ain't plugging my ears.
It's loud though.
I want to hear all of it. Yes.
You want me to take your picture again?
I'll be fine.
No.
Where you saw me?
Yeah, I can see the lights. It's coming.
yeah, I saw it. It's probably done the What's your guess? Is it Amtrak? Is it Marc? Is it the Acela train, which is part of Amtrak? It's really fast.
Sure is. That Excel is really.
I think that's just a normal Amtrak train.
Yeah, because he moving kind of slow there.
No,
The other one been here by now.
I'm just looking at
If
the
it was
lights.
the Excel. Oh, you can tell by the lights.
Yeah, the
Check
lights. The lights are in different places for each train,
Oh, okay.
and I'm pretty sure.
It looks like it's moving like the marc train.
Is it?
Oh yeah, I saw.
Yeah, no, that's Mark. That's Mark. Yeah, I'm recording. Hold on, I'm gonna try and wave. Yeah, that's Mark. We got it!
So he blew the horn.
I saw. Yeah,
Oh, we got him.
man, you missed it. It honked its horn.
Did it really?
Yes, I saw it. Like it went by as it.
Y'all have a good one.
You too. Take care.
We go at us.
You don't want to hear me say all this. Okay. Goodbye. Good. Yeah.
You want a picture of yourself on the old
No.
station?
No.
No?
No. Okay. Bye, guys.